Hi everyone, welcome to SSR classes. Today in this video we have to draw a circle with radius 2 centimeter. So constructing a circle with radius 2 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here the radius 2 centimeter by using scale. So this is starting 0 and 1 2 centimeter. So first drawing a length of 2 centimeter line and taking this OP. So length of OP equal to 2 centimeter. Now taking here a point to draw a circle on this point. So this is O point. Now taking or measuring the length OP by compass and putting the compass on this point, and now drawing a arc and which represent a circle with radius 2 centimeter. Okay, now joining O and perimeter up to perimeter to get the radius of the circle. So now joining this, so we got radius and taking here P point. So this is OP equal to 2 centimeter. So therefore radius of the circle is OP equal to 2 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.